Hello everyone, welcome to Jawad Soomro Productions. In this tutorial, I will take you through the process of designing a male grooming magazine cover using Adobe InDesign. I have already designed this magazine cover, so I am going to recreate this magazine cover. Let's get started. Before diving into InDesign, let's understand the key elements of a compelling magazine cover. The first element is the title. The title is the most prominent element on magazine covers. In simple terms, it's the identity of the brand. Consider the classic Time magazine. The bold serif red font can easily be recognized. It exudes authority. The consistent use of a red border surrounding the image in every Time magazine reinforces the brand's visual identity. This consistent design element contributes to immediate recognition and strengthens the brand's overall aesthetic. Similarly, in Men's Health magazine, the masthead, the magazine title behind the model's head, remains consistent across most of the issues. The bold text styles employed throughout the publication effectively convey a sense of masculinity. Therefore, as a graphic designer working for a magazine company, you must carefully consider and adhere to the established design aesthetics of the publication. Once your design is approved, maintaining consistency in its application across every volume is crucial. The second element is a high-quality image. Magazine standards typically limit cover images to a single photograph, unless specifically requested by the client. An image should be visually attractive that represents the main theme or lead article. The third element is a deck, a short, impactful phrase that supplements the title, intriguing the reader. Fourth element is volume and issue. It indicates a specific edition. Volume 10, Issue 3 provides a sense of history and continuity. Fifth element is Dateline. This is the month and year of publication. The inclusion of summer 2024 effectively informs readers of the seasonality of the content. Sixth element is Lead Article Line. It highlights the main feature story, enticing readers to delve deeper. Build an unstoppable alpha lifestyle grabs attention. Seventh element is Teasers. It promotes other notable articles within the magazine. They are usually added on white spaces of the image. Spacing between each article line should always remain consistent. Eighth element is QR code. QR code or even barcode is essential for retail sales, allowing for easy tracking and checkout. Ninth element is website and social media links. It directs readers to online content and encourages engagement. Then the last element is price tag. It clearly displays the cost, informing potential buyers. Let's learn how to create magazine cover layout in Adobe InDesign. The first step is to establish the document parameters. Open Adobe InDesign and navigate to File, New, Document. Shortcut key is Ctrl-N. In the New Document dialog box, select the letter preset, 8.5 inches times 11 inches. Ensure the units are set to inches, though you can utilize any unit you prefer. Maintain the orientation as portrait. Deselect facing pages, since we are creating a single page cover. Uncheck primary text frame, as it is not necessary for this project. Leave the columns and gutter settings unchanged. Set all margins to 0.5 inches. For safe printing, add a bleed of 0.125 inches on all sides. Note that the bleed is primarily for print projects and can be omitted if you intend to publish digitally. For a more in-depth explanation of margins, please refer to this tutorial. You can find the link on card above this video and below in the description. Finally, click Create to proceed. To streamline the design process and maintain consistency, I will import previously created paragraph styles, character styles, object styles, and swatches from an existing document. This eliminates the need to recreate these styles manually, saving valuable time. To import paragraph styles, you need to open Paragraph Styles panel. To do that, go to Window, Styles, and choose Paragraph Styles. Shortcut key is F11. After your Paragraph Styles panel is open, click on the top right corner button. Then choose Load Paragraph Styles. This is my existing document. Let's select the document and click Open. In the Load Styles window, InDesign shows you all the character and paragraph styles. You can select all the styles by clicking on Check All. You can deselect all the styles by clicking on Uncheck All. You have the flexibility to selectively import individual styles by checking or unchecking them in the dialog box. The style types are clearly indicated. P for paragraph styles and A for character styles. This level of control allows you to carefully select and import only the necessary styles, ensuring accuracy and preventing unintended style overrides. I am satisfied with the selection of styles. I will proceed by checking all the styles and clicking OK. This action imports both paragraph and character styles into the current document. You will now observe a comprehensive list of paragraph styles in a paragraph styles panel. Each style is uniquely named and organized for easy identification. Character styles, however, will not be visible within this panel. For that, you need to open Character Styles panel. To do that, go to Window, Styles, and choose Character Styles. Shortcut key is Shift F11. You will now observe a comprehensive list of character styles in the Character Styles panel. Each style is uniquely named and organized for easy identification. Now, let's import object styles. For that, you need to open Object Styles panel. To do that, go to Window, Styles, and choose Object Styles. Shortcut key is Ctrl F7. After the Object Styles panel is opened, click on the top corner button. Then choose Load Object Styles. I am going to select my existing document. Then click Open. I will proceed by checking all the styles and clicking OK. This action imports object styles into the current document. For a comprehensive understanding of the significance of object styles in InDesign, I recommend reviewing my dedicated tutorial on the subject. This tutorial provides detailed insights into the benefits and applications of object styles. You can find the link to this tutorial in the card above this video and in the video description below. Now, let's import swatches. For that, you need to open Swatches panel. To do that, go to Window, Color, and choose Swatches. Shortcut key is F5. After the Swatches panel is opened, click on the top corner button. Then choose Load Swatches. I'm going to select my existing document. Then, click Open. This action imports colors, including the 𝗿𝗿𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗏 into the current document. The color selection for this design was informed by the image itself, rather than choosing a random color. I utilize the eyedropper tool to extract a specific hue directly from the image. While I also explored darker grey shades and skin tones, this particular color proved to be the most effective for achieving the desired aesthetic within the design. I will commence the design process by establishing a visually striking title. Observe the pink lines on the blank page. These represent the document margins. Margins serve as a crucial safeguard, preventing text from extending beyond the printable area. If these lines are not visible, navigate to View, Grids and Guides, and select Show Frame Edges. Shortcut key is Ctrl::. To begin, I will create a text frame on the page. Ensure that the text frame adheres to the margins to maintain proper alignment and prevent the text from overflowing. Let's take the Type tool. Shortcut key is T. Draw a text frame on the page and snap them to margins. Type alpha in the text frame. Open Paragraph Styles panel. Select the text and then apply the title paragraph style. The font is 𝗿𝗿𝗏𝗏. Font size is 150 points. Alignment is center. Font color is 𝗿𝗿𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗏. Color code is #DB9C95. To address the spacing between the text and the top of the text frame, right-click within the frame and select Text Frame Options. Shortcut key is Ctrl+B. In the Baseline Options section, adjust the option to cap height. Click OK to apply the changes. Now, apply the title object style. As you can observe, applying the object style to the title automatically positions it according to the predefined settings within the style. This is the key function of object styles. They precisely control the placement of objects on the page. Import the original image sourced from Unsplash into the InDesign document. The download link for this image is provided in the description below. To facilitate seamless integration with the magazine title, the image has been converted to PNG format in Photoshop. This removes the background, allowing the subject of the image to be placed directly on the top of the magazine title, as will be demonstrated later in this tutorial. Let's import the JPEG image into the document. Begin by creating a rectangle frame using the shortcut key F. This frame will serve as a placeholder for this image. Drag and drop the JPEG image onto the placeholder rectangle. Double-click the frame to select the image within. Apply the JPEG image object style. This style ensures the image is positioned and sized correctly within the frame. Let me lock this image. Select the image and press Ctrl L on the keyboard. Create a new placeholder rectangle frame. Drag and drop the PNG image onto the frame. Zoom out if necessary to adjust the image size within the frame. Double-click the frame to select the PNG image. Apply the PNG image object style to the image. This ensures the PNG image is positioned correctly, aligning with the JPEG image. Lock the PNG image in place by pressing Ctrl L. Bring the title text frame to the front by right-clicking and selecting Arrange, Bring to Front. Send the title text frame backward using Arrange, Send Backward. Or by pressing Ctrl left square bracket. This positions the title behind the model's head, mimicking the style of modern magazine covers. Lock the title text frame in place by pressing Ctrl L. With all key elements locked, we can now proceed to design the tag text. Create a new text frame below the title. Type the Modern Man Magazine. Apply the DAG paragraph style. The font is 𝗿𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 white. Now apply the deck object style. This will position the deck appropriately relative to the title. To visually balance the space on side of the deck line, let's incorporate horizontal lines. To do that, select the line tool. Shortcut key is slash. Draw two horizontal lines anywhere on this page. Apply the deck line 1 object style to the first line. Then apply the deck line 2 object style to the second line. These object styles should position the lines relative to the deck and page edges. To incorporate the publication details, let's add the volume number, issue number, and summer 2024. Begin by creating a small text frame at the top of the page. Type volume 10, press enter, and then type issue 3. Align the text to the top, ensuring it aligns with the alpha text. Select the text and apply the volume and issue paragraph style. This style utilizes the 𝗁𝗿𝗃 standard medium font at 10 points with left aligned text. Now duplicate the text frame by pressing Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V. Type summer, press enter, and then type 2024. Select the text and apply the summer 2024 paragraph style. This style will automatically right align the text. At this stage, the cover design incorporates the following elements: title, JPEG and PNG images of the model, deck text, deck lines, volume and issue numbers, and summer 2024 designation. The design emphasizes the alpha title first, then guides the eye to the deck. This creates a clear visual hierarchy, making the title the most prominent element. As a graphic designer, it's crucial to pay close attention to white spaces around images, also known as empty spaces. In this instance, utilize the empty spaces surrounding the model's image to effectively incorporate article lines. Avoid overcrowding the image with excessive text. Aim for a clean and visually appealing composition. Now, let's compose a lead article line. Create a new text frame on the page. Copy the text. Build an unstoppable alpha lifestyle from your Word document. Shortcut key is Ctrl+C. Paste the copied text into the InDesign text frame. Shortcut key is Ctrl+V. Select the text and apply the lead article line 1 paragraph style. This style utilizes the new 706 BT font in bold, orchid color, and 28 point size. The paragraph style options can be accessed and modified as needed. Apply the lead article line 1 object style to position the first line of the lead article appropriately. Create a new text frame and paste the remaining text. Live a life of unmatched success. Select the text and apply the lead article line 2 paragraph style. To pick reader interest, include the page number next to the article lines. Select P9. Then apply the page number character style. This maintains the overall paragraph style while introducing a subtle visual distinction for the page number. Apply the lead article line 2 object style to position the second line below the first line. Now, place the discount graphic in the available space below the lead article line. To avoid recreating the graphic, I'm going to copy and paste it from a previous document. Set the graphic dimensions to 1.76 inches in width and height. Now position the graphic at X 1.38 inches and Y 6.8 inches. Create a text frame on the right side of the layout. I'm going to copy the 3 article lines from my Word document and paste it into the text frame. Apply the article's paragraph style to all the text. Apply the page number character style to the page numbers within each article line. To enhance readability, apply the article first line character style to the first few words for each article line. For example, 101, look sharp, new rules. This style will make these words bolder and larger. Insert double line breaks between each article line to improve visual spacing and readability. Apply the article's object style to the entire block of article lines. Let's add the price tag. Create a text frame and type $4.49. Apply the price tag paragraph style and then the price tag object style. To add a QR code, go to Object, Generate QR Code. In the Type drop-down menu, select Web Hyperlink. Let's paste the URL of my YouTube channel into the provided field. Click OK. Create a frame for the generated QR code. Apply the QR code object style. This positions the QR code below the price tag. The price tag style utilizes Swiss 721 font in bold, 18 points, and orchid color. While the website address can be added at any point, it often complements the QR code visually. Here's how to incorporate it. Create website container. Draw a small rectangle below the QR code. Apply the website container object style to format the rectangle. Create a text frame on top of the rectangle. Type www.𝗿𝗏.com. You can even put your actual website address. Apply the website paragraph style to format the text. Now, I want to add one more article line. I want it to be prominent as well. To introduce another prominent article line without disrupting the visual hierarchy, create a small rectangle at the top of the magazine cover. Alternatively, I am going to copy and paste an existing rectangle bar from a previous document. Use the Align panel. To do that, go to Window, Object and Layout, Align. Shortcut key is Shift F7. I want to position the rectangle precisely. Ensure Align to is set to page or spread. Align the rectangle to the top and center of the page. Now, create a text frame and type The Rise of the Groomed Gentleman _𝗁𝗏𝗄𝗏. Apply the header paragraph style to the entire text. Apply the header object style to the entire text frame and its content. Apply the header character style to 𝗁𝗏𝗄𝗏. The magazine layout is now complete. This process demonstrates a systematic approach to designing a visually engaging and informative magazine cover. The clean layout, strong typography, and use of styles contribute to a professional and sophisticated look for your male grooming magazine cover. This tutorial provides a basic framework for designing a magazine cover in InDesign. Remember to experiment, explore, and develop your own unique style. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at jawadsoomro1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Jawad Soomro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Jawad Soomro Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.